Cause who? Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I really missed y'all. Like, I really missed doing videos, but I really had to take the time out and just pretty much upgrade my channel a little bit, know what I want to do and how I want to do it. So with that being said, I won't be gone for too long. But okay, so this particular video is not going to be a talk through video. I just wanted to pop in and just let you guys know that I really enjoyed this look. It's really cute, it's really simple, and I just hope you guys really enjoy. I will try to list the products throughout the video, but if I miss some, everything will be in the description box below. And I just really hope you guys enjoyed the video because I really had a fun time doing this. So yeah, let me know if you like the music and everything like that, and I'll see y'all next time.
When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I remember when we were still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Chain saying stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you, don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I brought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that pussy's power. Type that make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession. Guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it. You so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get lifted. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Look, man, it was like fall of 09 when we ate at any restaurant off campus we can find. Double dating, and my homies brought different brats every time. You sat across from uncertainty, but you knew you were mine. All these girls wanted Nook because I had a little buzz. You care more about how it looked, I care more about what it was. You said I was flirting too much, I cut them all off if I must. This whole relationship thing is pointless if there is no trust. But you know that you are my queen. How you do, your majesty? I'll acquire you desire. Pockets on capacity, it's only right that I laid the pipe, cause you had a massive leak. I'm not one to hype, but you the best, and that's to say the least. They say love is blind, all I saw was that ass. All you needed was attention you didn't receive from dad. Campus full of bitches, you the only one with some class. When they see you, they know that's me, you don't even have to ask. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right.
Vea. Dime, ¿te recuerdas? Wow.
Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve aquí, solo pa' mí, pa' mí, pa' mí. Recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir, solo pa' mí. Yo te comí, bebita chiquita bonita.
Ella siempre me llamaba porque la dejaban con las ganas, y yo siempre la hice que llegara como 5 veces a la semana. Tú supiste que tenía novio, pero me pisaba con el odio.
A mí me decía que a mí me quería, pero yo no quise más de ti. Y ahí fue cuando yo tomé la salida y también me fui. Ya no quise más de ti. Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve aquí, solo pa' mí. Recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir, solo pa' mí. Yo te comí, bebita chiquita bonita.
Si solo lo supiera, donde lo hacíamos y donde tú me verás. Siempre tu manera, siempre te escondías porque tú no eres mi bea.
Y cuando tú te fuiste me mandaste una foto para que no te olvide. Ella no se decide, quiere más de mí, pero así no fue, baby. Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve ahí.
Wait.
Sure. Hey, Cam. Hey, America.
What's it say?
Hey, America.
Tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir, solo pa' mí. Yo te comí, bebita chiquita bonita.
And I did add like a little black, like under the liner so that it can pop just a little bit. But other than that, y'all, this look looks A1. Right here, I think I'm gonna take how many carats
Told my girl to pipe down, need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. I told her my way, what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off, they know I can't. Lately I've been in a different mind state, and I got them tripping. I've been making hits, I don't got no time for misses. Shawty want a ring, yeah, she tryna be a missus. I've been so ahead, I don't think y'all really get it. They been taking L's, they can't see how I've been winning. And I got a drip, so they see me making waves. They don't even see how many chances I done gave. I've been working hard, dog, I think I need a raise. Said I couldn't do it, but I told my girl to pipe down. Need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3.
Dude, no. We'll be at White Pantry.
What's White Pantry?
White Palace shit.
And y'all talk about me? White Pantry? I could have seen if you said, you mistakenly said White Castle. At least that's close to Palace.
Pantry and Palace. They gonna be on the pizza. They make the
Cute. Trying to see which ones should I put on. If y'all want a full video on how I do mine, I really can't see them. How they look. Let's see. They look cute with these too, but so I got these hoops from Pretty Little Things. They're so cheap and fancy. Did y'all see the lock on them? Oh, they heavy. Y'all got the biggest of the hoops. You hear me? Yes, see? Get it. These are cute. See, the back of it broke off. Can't really see them though. Okay, why? I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Maybe I need to sit closer. Okay, good. Yeah, I got some.
Cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean.
Yeah. I've been buying 41 tired to 36s. I can tell 100 stacks by I am a mathematician. Just so many plays up from my dealer, I get commission. Walking, I got my bitches on display like exhibition. If a Wi-Fi connected ain't the first time. $250,000 in the Hermes, my shoulder. In Dubai, got my base, got my turn tide off. Moving in a motorcade, in the bourbon riding solo. Yeah, solitaire stones look like breath mints. Yeah, I can rock fake jewelry, I need a EpiPen. That bitch fucking with a shrimp, she pescatarian. She wanna come fuck with a boss, she ate every night. Yeah.